effort to do more experiments. So let's start! What is the rocket science behind this experiment? In this activity, instead of using rocket fuel, we used baking soda and vinegar to make different kind of chemical reaction that can launch a small-scale rocket made from a bottle. The reaction produces water and carbon dioxide, which will appear as bubbles. You will take advantage of the pressure the carbon dioxide gas makes in the bottle. So for the first step, we need sticks or pencil or something like this, which we can say. So then, for the 3 sticks, we need 3 triangular papers. Okay, so for this first step, we need this much sticks, and then also need some glue. Okay, we also need some glue. So we'll take 1 stick and 1 triangle. So yeah, and then now we'll just put some glue. So the triangle is like this. So you put glue like over here near the triangle's first this corner. And then put glue everywhere. Okay, and just rub it off from all stick. And take the stick and stick it over there. Okay, so the first part is done. We'll make the second part ready. Let's do it. And the last one. And it's done, so let's go for the next step. Now we need the plastic bottle, scissors, we made these things before. We made 3, and the duct tape. Now we need to stick these things to this by the duct tape. I'll show you how I stick by the duct tape. So this is how I stick the things we made with the duct tape, so it can stand properly. Not standing by its own, right? So sleep everywhere. The one side there's nothing. If you want, you can make 4 sticks with 4 triangles. So you can put 1 more here. And it's also, we can put 3 sticks, which will also look good. This is how I'm showing it. So look at the places. It's amazing. Now we have already made the down part of the rocket. And now we need to make the cone for the bottom. So let's make the cone. Now with this triangle paper, we're gonna make a cone. So let's make a cone. Now we need to just take this one place and just keep it like this. for the decoration step, you can have a heart. I think I'll stick a heart over here. Now let's pour the vinegar. Now I'm going outside to do the rocket launch. Yay! Okay, now let's put the baking soda. I made the baking soda squishy like a chocolate. And now let's put it in just up on the top. Put it in and put it in the top. Then just close it. Close it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Initiating launch sequence.
My rocket went up very high. Oh my god, it went by itself. It was a good experiment. I loved it. Do you all guys love that experiment? If you do, then comment in the box. Thank you. Bye bye. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss out our latest videos. Thank you. Bye.